Where?
They got the wrong parts?
I guess.
What do you mean you guess? It's either fit or no fit. It no fit?
No fit.
No fit?
No fit, no fit.
Oh shit, so he got the wrong parts? So you have to take it back off? Okay, because he fucked it up, you do it twice, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so but the boss man not gonna pay you twice, huh?
No.
Why not? He fucked it up.
No, because he's stingy.
Because he's stingy. Then you better be careful because this is going on YouTube. You think he's stingy? He's not stingy. He's not stingy. He's just, he made a mistake, but we're having to pay for his fucking mistakes, aren't we? Aren't we, Chewy?
Yeah.
You're having to pay for his mistakes. Well, I don't know what the hell he was wanting to build, but look, I'll tell you what, man, don't call me no damn welder. That's not a welder. I don't know how to weld worth of shit. That thing looks like doo-doo. It'll stay on there, but you thinking about letting me weld mufflers on cars? I don't think you ought to let me weld no mufflers on no cars. That's the first weld job I ever did. That's the first weld job I ever did, huh? Looks like shit. But my daddy, blah blah blah, my daddy used to say, the only way you're going to get to weld is if you just get out there with a cutting tool or a welder and just start welding. That's the only way. That's what you do right there. And the first one's going to look like holy hell. Huh? I'm going to burn the shop? Oh, shit.
San Antonio, man.
Oh, shit. That ain't going to burn nothing. Where'd it catch a fire over here? Nothing. Oil? Oh. Gotta watch the cigarettes. Oh my God, man. I got a lot of cleaning to do. Tell you, man. Well, that's Chewy. Chewy's like my buddy. What'd you just say?
No lo pedía, está muy caro, pues te dije, machame el precio, no, y te lo mecheo. Ay, no me gusta agarrar las cosas eléctricas de Amazon.
Pero ¿por qué chingado?
No le te roscaron la rosca. Todo.
Hey.
Te seguro que fue Lee. ¿Qué pasó, carnal?
I'll see you later.
Okay.
So they're gonna send them? They're gonna bring them? Is that what he just said in English? He's gonna bring them to you?
Yeah.
See, I don't understand a damn word they were saying. I don't understand nothing they say. I'm like a gringo in the Mexican pile. Well, I'm gonna go find a rock and crawl under it. You're gonna have to help me fix this, Chewy. This is dog shit, man. We cannot let the customer.
They're good already.
Shit, man. The customer's gonna shit about. He's never gonna come back. Oh, damn. She feeding the babies. Who's that? Who's that?
Friend?
Huh? A friend?
Yeah.
Well, why is your friend showing us her titties? Man, you need to put that thing up, man. Why aren't you showing it on everybody? Anyway, I'm gonna go find a rock and crawl under it, man, because that's the most shittiest weld I've ever seen any human man create. I don't see how you welders do it, man. Y'all are beautiful things as welders. Especially my dad. Dude could make it look like dimes turned over on its side. Not me. Mine looks like somebody took a shit on it. Anyway, I gotta get back to work, man. I gotta go do something with it. He says it's good, so I'm gonna find something else to get into around here. Still trying to put together this damn body shop. It's gonna take forever to get the body shop going. That's all I can say. But hey, it's worth the wait. Day by day, I'll film it just to stick it on there. And these clown hats over here. I shouldn't call them clown hats. I should call them crazy senors and the crazy senors. They worked me too hard.
similar survey conducted in May. Other words, the poll
Anyway, well, let's all catch y'all later.
Trump and
But peace out.
included